Hi guys, it's your gay IJ Kitchen and Edge channel. I want to thank my returning subscribers. May God bless you. And for the new one that is passing by, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put like, comment, and press that notification button in case anytime I upload, be the first person to notify. Also share with your friends and family. Okay, I love you guys. Today episode, I'm going to be showing you I prepared this delicious fried rice. I with my mixed things, seafood inside. This is my chicken chest. This is my chopped onion. Also have a chopped pepper. I have curry powder, rosemary. Also have a mangi cube and a powder mangi. I have oil. Going to be adding salt. Okay, this is my boiled rice. I've already boiled it. Now I'm going to be adding my ingredients on this one and boil the meat. Okay, let's go. Also, I'm going to be adding my ginger and garlic. I'm going to show you guys. Now, this is the chicken chest. Now I'm going to be adding the things I want to add. Curry, mangi cube. Going to be adding salt. My salt. And rosemary. I'm going to be adding my ginger and the garlic. Some of the chopped onion. I'm going to cover it. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going to boil it first. I'm adding it to the pot now. I'm going to be adding some little mangi, salt, add my curry powder. I'm going to be adding my powder mangi, my salt, chicken chest is ready. I'm going to take it off. You can see my seafood. That my chicken look like. I'm going to take the chicken stuff now. I'm adding my pepper to rice. Adding some of the chopped onion. I'm going to be adding little water. I'm going to remove the back. Sorry guys, I didn't explain to you. I'm going to be adding a little butter on the rice. going to fry it right away. Let me test it. Back to the fire. You miss it. So yummy. Wow. Please subscribe and share. Like, comments. Fantastic. Yummy. My fried rice is ready. Try to go and try it. Forget the English and cook good food. See you guys in the next video.